Tesla is really trying to break that 355 on the 1 hour, 360, 65 on the daily chart. It's really trying, but it has not succeeded yet. Tesla closed at 347.79, up 82 cents. We are still up 0.24%. Post-market, we seem to be up a little bit more. So this is where we are. Look at this. We had a gap up right here. We had the gap up last Friday. Boom. We are maintaining ourselves. We are holding. Let's go on the 1 hour chart. So yeah, we are holding at 344.66. This is what the stock price is telling us. Today we had a nice move. We broke 349.37 on the 1 hour chart. We have more lines. Boom, went up right smack to 355. Can we make this up? No, we cannot make this up. These lines have been there for months and weeks and months. Look at this, 355. We tried to go higher, and look at this precision right here. We went higher during the hour, but always closed below, and then we abdicated at 2:30. We abdicated and came back down. So where does that leave us? If we break 344.66, because we have been above for some time, if we have a break at 344.66, this is going to be a short, because at the same time, we are going to be breaking this bullish channel. Tesla stock would no longer be going higher based on that bullish channel, and by definition would be lower than 344.66. So this would be a short. So there's a shorting opportunity right here for Tesla to get us back to the next support at 335.73. So this is a shorting opportunity. It's possible that tomorrow we try again above 349.37. This would be on the 1 hour chart another signal, an intraday signal on the 1 hour chart to make a little bit of money on the upside like we did today when we saw this right here. If we break 355, this is going to be a bigger indication that the move is stronger, that more buyers are coming in compared to the sellers, and then 360 could be challenged. But so far, this has not happened, because so far, if you want to learn how to draw these wonderful lines that predict future stock movement, I have a live masterclass that is coming up October 12th. This is a Sunday from 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. This is going to be live. I'm going to show you exactly how I draw my lines and what I think about when I do them, so that you can draw lines on any stock of your choosing. Discord members will get access to this masterclass, this live masterclass, free. Check out the description below. Since May of this year, we could never break above 355. This is really strong. When we are going to break it, this is going to be good news. So this is where we are on the 1 hour chart. We have lost stochastic over 60. Our reversal indicator is turning bullish. So, you know, if we are losing support, 344.66 on the 1 hour chart, this is a short. So for more longer term traders or investor on the daily chart, we are still into the bullish channel. The bullish channel is intact. We are going higher and higher. This is the bottom, this is the top, and we also have that resistance at 360.65. Once we are going to break all of this is when the big moves are going to happen, when we break above 372. So far, this is not happening. We can play on the 1 hour chart to take a few swings here and there. But when this happens on the daily chart, this is going to be a nice entry. So going back again on the 1 hour chart, we are getting very close to that bullish channel support. I think this is why we had this move right here. We could be having another move right here because we are still above that bullish channel support, and this is what support are supposed to do. They are supposed to push the stock up. Each time we are reaching this support, we are moving higher. So right now, this is going to be a big test tomorrow. Is it going to succeed? The last two candles are not super nice. We have a big red candle and we have this candle right here. Small red candle with a big wick at the top, which means that there's lots of selling pressure on that one. But who knows if it works. If it does not work, then we know what to do. Let's take a look at the rest of the markets. VIX, VIX is climbing a little bit. It was quite low during the day, below 15. Now we are at 15.34, up a little bit higher. Nothing too critical. Let's take a look at the stock indices to see how they have fared. So Dow Jones right here, we were making higher lows, higher lows. We have a top at 45,768. And now we are seeing a little bit of weakness. We have closed below this bullish channel support. We would have preferred if Dow Jones would have broken 45,768, but no, this is not happening. SPX is still higher than where it was yesterday, but we are still hitting this resistance right here. We are right smack on the resistance and we cannot break above it. So the best case scenario, while still going higher, is just hovering over it very slowly. But let's hope that we are breaking it and making bigger moves. Nasdaq, the same thing right here. We have stopped right smack on 23,964. Look at this. Right smack on this. If we have a break of that, this is going to be an indication that things are moving higher. This is going to be a breakout and we can take that swing up to this bullish channel resistance right here at 25,393. Let's take a look at the rest of the market. Yeah, this was not the best day. Mainly red with just a little bit of green. In terms of economic data, we have received the PPI month over month. Actual was minus 0.1% and the forecast was 4%. The producer prices in the US unexpectedly fell 0.1% month over month in August, following a downwardly revised 0.7% rise in July and well below forecast of a 0.3 increase. It is the first decline in producer prices in 4 months, with cost for services falling 0.2%. So prices are falling, no inflation in sight. Let's take a look at Bitcoin. Okay, so far the day has not finished with Bitcoin, but look at this. 111,940, 111,940. If we maintain, this is going to be a nice entry. If we close tonight above 111,940, this is going to be a nice buy for Bitcoin, allowing us to reach 120 and maybe that 123 that we had in the past. So nice move. And so far, our reversal indicator is turning bullish right here in front of our eyes. Ethereum, a little bit of a move up, 0.39%. We still don't have stochastic right here. We are still above 42.59. We still have a long wick at the top right here. This is not a strong move. We tried during the day. We tried to go higher, but we were squished down. Overall, we are still inching a little bit higher. So overall, we see that lows are going a little bit higher. Yeah, Tesla is still not ready for the big move. Not everything is lost. We are still into this bullish channel, and Powell is going to tell us what is happening to the federal interest rates next week. So maybe this is going to give us the push that we need. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. If you like what I do, you can become a YouTube member. Click on my TradingView affiliate link. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.